Hello and welcome. We are MTS LLP, your trusted tax accounting and consulting firm. MTS LLP supports entrepreneurs and businesses through incorporation, accounting, compliance, growth, restructuring, and estate planning. Serving the Greater Toronto Area and beyond with comprehensive tailored solutions. Module 1. Budget 2025 Update - Key Measures for Businesses and Investors. Tax rates and fiscal context. Corporate tax rates remain stable at 15% general and 9% small business. Personal income brackets unchanged. This stability aids planning and forecasting. Immediate expensing and capital investment incentives. Companies can claim 100% first-year write-off for qualifying manufacturing or processing buildings acquired after November 4, 2025 with at least 90% floor space used for manufacturing. The write-off phases down between 2030 and 2033, encouraging capital investment and improving cash flow. Innovation, research and development, and clean economy incentives. Enhanced scientific research and experimental development credit increased to $6 million annual limit starting December 16, 2024. Expanded eligibility for capital expenditures including clean technology with 30% refundable credits for critical minerals acquired after November 4, 2025. Carbon capture tax credits extended through 2035. Planning structure and compliance. Immediate expensing requires a 90% use test and new acquisitions from arm's length parties. Changes affect tax deferral and cash flow strategies. Proper documentation is essential to avoid recapture or denial of benefits. Summary of 2025 budget measures and considerations. Corporate tax rates remain stable. Immediate expensing benefits firms planning facility expansions. Enhanced SR&ED credit supports research and development intensive businesses. Expanded clean technology and carbon capture credits promote sustainable investment. Compliance and documentation are key to claiming deductions. If you are planning expansion or innovation, 2025's budget offers great opportunities. Contact MTS LLP at 647-749-7874 or visit www.mtsllp.ca to plan strategically and maximize benefits. 647-749-7874, www.mtsllp.ca. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and not tax, legal, or financial advice. Consult a professional before making decisions. No client solicitation or personalized recommendations.